In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts in Canva. If you're trying to create a more distinctive brand look, using only the default font options can feel limiting pretty quickly. The good news is that Canva lets you upload your own custom font files, which is especially helpful if you want your designs to match a brand style more closely. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to open the right workspace, find the font upload option, bring in your font file, and apply it to your design. To begin, head to your Canva dashboard and open an active editing workspace. This is important because the font management tools won't appear properly unless you're inside a design. From the home page, click Create a Design in the top right area and choose the type of project you want to work on, such as a presentation, flyer, or any other layout. If you already have a design started, you can simply open that instead. Once your design is open in the editor, click on any text box in the canvas. As soon as the text layer is selected, the formatting toolbar will appear across the top of the screen. On the left side of that toolbar, you'll see the current font name. Click that font drop down to open the full font panel. When the font menu opens, look all the way toward the bottom of the panel. There, you'll find the Upload a Font option. Click it and Canva will open your computer's file browser so you can choose the font file you want to add. Now, go to the folder where your font is saved and select the file. Canva generally supports common font formats like TTF and OTF, so make sure your file is in one of those formats. After selecting it, click Open. You may then see a confirmation message asking you to verify that you have the right to use that font. Read the message carefully, confirm it, and then wait a moment while Canva uploads the file. Once the upload is complete, the font panel will refresh automatically. You should now see a section for uploaded fonts, and your new font will appear there. Click on it to apply it to the selected text in your design. This is a great time to quickly review how it looks on your canvas and make sure it matches the style you want. When everything looks good, use the Save or Share option in the upper right corner so your work is preserved for future projects. That's it. You've successfully added a custom font in Canva and can now use it to create more polished, consistent designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.